Hi, today you will discuss about electronic configuration of first 30 elements. So first element symbol electronic configuration. So first one is hydrogen. So symbol H. Electronic configuration is 1s1. Next helium He. Electronic configuration is 1s2. Next one lithium, symbol is Li. So electronic configuration is 1s2 and 2s1. Next one is beryllium, Be. 1s2 2s2. Next one is boron, so symbol is B. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p1. Next symbol is C, that means carbon. So electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p2. Next one is nitrogen, symbol N. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p3. Next one oxygen, symbol is O. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p4. Next one is fluorine, symbol is F. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p5. Next one is neon, symbol is Ne. 1s2 2s2 2p6 is the electronic configuration of neon. Next one is sodium, symbol is Na. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s1. Next one is magnesium, symbol is Mg. 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2. Next one is aluminium, symbol is Al. 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p1 is the electronic configuration of aluminium. Next one is silicon, so symbol is Si. So 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p2. Next one is phosphorus, symbol is P. 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p3. Next one is sulfur, symbol is F. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p4. Next one is chlorine, so symbol is Cl. 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p5. Next one is argon, symbol is Ar. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6. Next one is potassium, symbol is K. So electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s1. Next one is calcium, symbol is Ca. 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2. Next one is scandium, symbol is Sc. 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d1. Next titanium, symbol is Ti. Next electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d2. Next one is vanadium, symbol is V. So electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d3. Next is chromium, symbol is Cr. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 and 3d4. Next is manganese, symbol is Mn. So electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s5 3d5. Next one is iron, so the symbol is Fe. Electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3d6 3p6 4s5 3d6. So cobalt, so symbol is Co. 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d7. So nickel, symbol is Ni. So 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d8. Next one is copper, so Cu. Next electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d9. Next finally 13th element zinc, their symbol is Zn, and electronic configuration is 1s2 2s2 2p6 3s2 3p6 4s2 3d10. Thank you.